Hello students, myself Dr. Priyanka Ghosh. Today we are going to discuss about the journal entries that we are going to record in the books of both transferee company and transferor company. So first I will explain you what is the transferee company. Transferee company is the company which is going to purchase the another company. Transferor company is the company which is going to be sell or sold to the other company. So for both the companies, we have to pass the journal entries. So for the transferee company, there are 5 to 6 journal entries we need to pass. So first, a journal entry, it should be related to the purchase consideration due. So the journal entry for purchase consideration due is business purchase account debit to liquidators of transferor company account. For next journal entry for incorporating assets and liabilities taken over. So if any company wants to take over the assets and liabilities, we need to do the journal entries. So as we already explained that in amalgamation, we are having the two methods, pooling interest and purchase method. So for both the cases, we are having separate journal entries. One thing we should remember that in case of pooling interest, we should not take over the reserve, I mean the statutory reserve, but in case of purchase method, we can take over the statutory reserve. So in case of pooling interest method, the journal entry is various assets account debit, goodwill, which will be coming in the balance in figure, to various liabilities account, to business purchase account, to general reserve account. So if debit balance it will come, it will transfer to the goodwill account, and if the credit balance will come, it will transfer to the general reserve account. Next, the same assets and liabilities taken over in case of purchase method. The journal entry will be various assets account debit. Again, goodwill, if debit balance will come, it will transfer to the goodwill account, to various liabilities account, taken over values, to statutory reserve account, to business purchase account, and if the credit balance will come, it will transfer to the capital reserve account. For incorporation of statutory reserve, suppose in the transferor company account there is any statutory reserve and it is going to continue in the balance sheet of transferee company, then the journal entry we should pass, that is amalgamation adjustment account debit to statutory reserve account. Discharge of purchase consideration, which will be the last entry. Liquidators of transferor company account debit to share capital to security premiums account to bank account. So these are the journal entries we need to pass in the books of transferee company account. Next, we are going to discuss about the journal entries which we are going to pass in the books of transferor company account. So here we are going to prepare some 3 to 4 accounts like realization account, transferee company account, equity shareholder account, or if the company is having preference shareholder account. So these are the 3 to 4 accounts we need to prepare. So here first we will start with the realization account. So for realization account, if any assets are there in the balance sheet, we need to transfer to the realization account. So journal entry is realization account debit to concerned asset account. For transfer of various outsider liabilities to realization account, journal entry is concerned liability account debit to realization account. For purchase consideration due, journal entry transferee company account debit to realization account. After doing all this entry, we need to close the realization account. So here we need to calculate whether the profit will come or loss. If the profit will come, journal entry will be realization account debit to equity shareholder account. And in case of loss, the equity shareholder account debit to realization account. After that, we need to pass the journal entry for receipt of purchase consideration. So here journal entry will be equity shares in transferee company account debit, preference shares in transferee company account debit, cash or bank account debit to transferee company account. And the last journal entry that we need to pass to make the final payment to the equity shareholders. And the journal entry will be equity shareholder account debit to equity shares in transferee company account to cash and bank account. So today we are going to stop here, and next class we are going to continue with the next concept. Thank you so much.